Joining me now, health and fitness expert Stephanie Mansour. Thank you so much for being with us. You are host of Step It Up with Steph on PBS, and it's so good to see you again. Of course, there are health benefits, but it's not just your liver, it's your pocketbook as well.
Yes, I mean, this is a huge cost savings for many people, Lynn. If you're going out to eat and you're adding in a glass or two of wine or a cocktail or a beer, you know, that's going to double your check. And if you're doing that on the weeknights, plus you're going out over the weekend for games or sporting events or out with friends, you know, this can pack on anywhere between $50 to hundreds of dollars a week that you can save by going dry this January.
Okay,
but there are many other benefits. Yeah.
Let's talk about that. Let's talk about what the benefits are, because a lot of people may want to just say, what about just one glass? How do we stay on track?
Right. So I love Dry January because it's, you know, kind of a movement, and many people are doing this, so that camaraderie makes it a little bit easier for you to say, hey, I'm abstaining today because I'm doing Dry January. So a lot of things that you're going to notice, you'll notice within a week. So it's sort of like instant gratification just for making this one shift in your life. So things like improved digestion, weight loss, because we're cutting out all those calories. You're going to have better sleep quality, so you'll wake up feeling more energized. And this also helps with digestion. So a lot of my private weight loss clients, Lynn, notice these effects within a week, and that motivates them to keep going throughout the month of January.
And of course, there's an entire sober, curious moment, so maybe this could actually become a lifestyle and be that healthy all year round. Stephanie, thank you so much for being with us. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year, Lynn.
Here's the simple truth. Did you resolve to go dry in January, or keto, or no sugar, or whatever it is that's supposed to make you a better version of yourself? Well, we're about 9 days in now. Are you already off the wagon? Why do we put so much pressure on ourselves to get every single day perfect and have these expectations that, frankly, are just unrealistic for some? I have had a heck of a week. Sick kids, I'm losing my voice, a laundry list that I will spare you from, but God help me if I tell myself whatever might make a trying time a bit brighter is off limits. Because of a day and a month, peel that second glass of wine out of my cold, dead hands. I dare you. And who knows if I'm right, but if you have all these goals for the year and trying to be the best version of yourself, it's helped me to remember being the good enough version of myself is a lot more realistic. And that's the simple truth.